Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome. And I have a SPONGELLE haul. And the reason I have a SPONGELLE haul is because I got a gift card from my dear friend Terry. Terry's Inspirational World. She has a channel on YouTube and she doesn't post very often, but her videos are timeless because it's all about inspiring you. So whenever you go look at a video, it doesn't matter when it was made. But she is a very inspirational friend. She lives in England and she just is so supportive of me, and we have a lot of things in common. She used to live and visit Chicago, which is where I'm from, and we've just really bonded on Instagram, DMs, private messages. So she sent me for Christmas a gift card to SPONGELLE, to their website, and it got hung up and it was just a little crazy, but I got it. So I went on their website and they were having a big sale. So let me show you what I got. They were having a big sale and I'm excited about it because SPONGELLE is rather expensive. And let me tell you that, you know, the name, let me show you. The name SPONGELLE, it has an accent over the E. I have heard, I've heard their commercials say SPONGELLE. They don't say SPONGELLE or SPONGELLE. So, you know, I say SPONGELLE because that's what I've heard on their commercials. So they had, if you spend $75, you got $25 off. So that's a great deal. Their products are quite expensive. So let me show you what I got. I went to their sale and got things from their sale. So I got this, whoops, this is hung up together, here we go. I got 3 of these. This is, oh here, this should go like this. Look at how cute that is. It's a star shape. It has the handle, or the loop to it. This is called Noel in Vanilla Bloom. It smells really good. This is valued at $14 and it was on sale for $9. So that's that one. And these, you know, they show them, you can use them as an ornament, hang them, you know, for Christmas time, hang them on the tree for your loved ones. So this one, it popped open. So this is Jasmine Snow, and let me just pop it out of here if I can. Well, okay, here it is. Interesting. It's a star shape, as you can see. There's no hole in it, but it came with this, you know, for you to hang it on the tree or by the, you know, decorating or something. So what you're going to have to do, the way that this works, all of the ribbons are like this. They're either black or they're white. That's what I've mostly seen. I might have seen some colors, but they snap, and the snap will not rust. It's a plastic snap. So you will have to poke a hole in this and then snap that through it. And then you'll be able to hang it. Now, for me personally, I don't need to hang them because I have some shelves in my shower. So it just depends what you like. I do keep these extras to pass on to people if they like them. So that's that one. And then the third one is called Snowflower. So, you know, it's wrapped in plastic, but I can still smell it. It smells really good. The jasmine snow, I can really smell the jasmine in there. And the snowflower, I think the snowflower is my favorite out of the 3. So I got 3 of the ornaments, and so they're valued at $14 each, and they were on sale for $9 each. So thank you, Terry, for sending me that gift card, because I wouldn't probably have, I have a plethora of SPONGELLE because I just love them so much, and I put them in giveaways a lot all the time, so I like to have them on hand. And then I got this one. This is Iris, and this one is valued at, this is called a Flower Child, and it's valued at $12, and this was on sale for $8. So it's actually bigger than the starred ones. And it also comes with, you know, you can hang it, and it is pink. And see how the hole is in there? So it came with the handle, and again, this is a black one, so it has that snap. You just run it through there, and then you can hang it if you want to. And I love the iris. I love the flowered scented ones. And I've had iris before. And it's very beautiful. The one I had though was white. So this makes it, you know, look at how pretty. They're just packaged so nicely and they make a nice gift. You know. So, and then I got these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes are $30 a piece and they were on sale for $20 a piece. So these are a wonderful gift to give to someone. So how this opens is this comes off of here. This one is called Love Always. And whoops, let me try, how am I gonna get that off? Let's see. It's on there very nice. There are 2 Spongelle in here. And this just makes such a lovely gift. Look at how pretty that's wrapped. And it opens. And it opens like this, if I can get, oh, well, it doesn't open like that. It opens like this. There's a magnet closure here, and then it opens, and then it's displayed very nicely. And this is a velvet liner down here, beautiful. So these are heart-shaped, and we have Bulgarian Rose, which is one of my favorites. Just a lovely rose scent. And that, okay, it will open here. Let's see, it's a heart shape. Let's see if it has a hole in it, because it does have the ribbon. But if it doesn't have the hole, you can, you know, there, it does. This one has a hole. So, and it closes very nicely wrapped. These just, you know, they're just so pretty. And the other one in this package is Sugar Dahlia, and I love the Sugar Dahlia. Smells so good, okay? So that is one of the boxes. And this other one is called With Love, and that one comes off a lot nicer, easier. This is French Lavender and Freesia Pear. And these are lighter colored packages. So the French Lavender, I love it. I love lavender. It's so nice. It's so nice. And the Freesia Pear is one of my top 3. I love it. Just love it. So that is what I got from Spongelle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 Spongelle, and this cost $75. And I got $25 off because that's what the sale was. If you spend $75, you pay $50. And I had a $25 gift card from Terri. So I paid $25 and I have all these lovely Spongelle. And I am anxious to use them. I may use some of these in gifts as well. And they're just, I'm just really excited about it because I love Spongelle. Spongelle are my favorite thing that I've found when I started my channel. Well, actually, before I started my channel, my very first Spongelle came in my very first box ever, which was Fab Fit Fun. It was the summer of 2020, I believe. I got the Fab Fit Fun box, and I was a little late in getting it, so they just sent it to me. Maybe I picked a couple things, I don't remember. And I ended up with a Spongelle, and it has changed my skin. I love it, love it, love it. So I highly recommend Spongelle. So their website, they often, maybe not always, but they often have sales. So look for sales if you're gonna shop on the website, because the full price of these are quite expensive. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. And thank you so much, Terri, for thinking of me. You did not have to do this. I really appreciate it, though. I love you, and thank you very much for this gift. And y'all, thanks for stopping by to see what I got from Spongelle, and count your blessings. Bye.